One thing that you can do is use external flash instead of the built-in flash, and you get some much nicer effects. You have a lot more control over the light. And you can buy a pretty decent external flash for $50. So if your pictures mean a lot to you, I strongly suggest you do that. You might want to spend $100 and get a little more powerful unit, a few more controls. One of the things that external flash lets you do is to bounce it for softer lighting. So you see here, two external flashes were used. One of them was bounced off this wall over here. The other one was bounced off the ceiling up here. They both fired at exactly the same time. And flash, by the way, is the same color temperature as daylight, or very close to it. So it was also helped that we had light coming through the skylight here, and we get a nice softly lit interior by bouncing the flash that looks nothing like the light coming from the direct flash. Second of all, if you have external flash, you can control the direction of the lighting. You can put that external flash anywhere you want and aim it any way you want. So all three of these portraits were shot with an external flash. That external flash was diffused with an umbrella. But you can see that the direction of the lighting is quite different in all three pictures. Third, external flash makes it possible to light much larger areas than you could light with the built-in flash. So you don't have that lighting fall off that I showed you before. Once again, same interior, different part of the room, but the same technique was used, bouncing the flash off of several different places, several external flashes. And finally, if you're working in the studio, it's really lovely to have external flash units, or better yet, big studio units. Then you can really light the background evenly and control your lighting really well, the direction of the lighting, the way it models the subject, and so forth. And you can work very fast that way.